think we've seen pretty well everything at this point, but I think it's fair to say this is the busiest show I've ever attended here. I don't like crapping on anything or talking badly about anything, but it was really busy this year, and it's not like still a good show, but definitely not the strongest show.
I think everybody said what we said this year. We'll go the second weekend. We won't be as busy.
Maybe, but I don't know, man.
I don't know.
Because I saw some pictures on Family Day weekend, and like this is a zoo, but it was like the zoo. Now we gotta make our way back through the zoo and then get to Union Station, find a train, and then find food. So funny story, we were supposed to get on the Lakeshore East. We didn't do that. We're currently heading to Hamilton.
What's in Hamilton? We're gonna find out when we get there.
Yeah. We're gonna get a U-Haul actually and drive it all the way back.
Hold on, what car can I buy in Hamilton?
Yeah,
3,800. Look for 30.
I think you were looking at an Hamilton you wanted to buy.
Yeah. Sean, start buying now.
Dealers are open right now. Oh my god, how cool that is. I've never seen one of those before.
That is, and we'll get to see it twice.
Yeah, that is fucking cool as shit.
That's so cool.
Do they know something that we don't?
Like cats. Well,
You want to go stand in there?
this is certainly not the lake shore.
We're gonna go in there, then it's gonna be on that line.
Both signals are yellow, so like there's a train on both tracks.
Hold on. This is a development.
Yeah.
Sean, I want to go to that GO train station in the summertime.
Why?
Because I'm weird. Yeah.
You don't hear tisms, man. Just listen to this.
You got lots of isms about you, man. You got
What'd you say, Cam?
It looks like they didn't finish the building it.
Yeah. And how many tisms do I have, Sean?
so you got
It's gonna be like Reese. I'm just gonna bleep it all out.
yeah, exactly.
Except Reese, at some point, I'm gonna miss it.
Thank God you've got the beliefs, man. Like
And the ability to blur the screen. Oh, he's doing it too. What the Yeah, guys, there's a week video at the auto show, so we had to do something dumb to make up for the content. So we got on the wrong train.
Sean's going. Well, he's gonna claim seat. That's what he's gonna do.
I genuinely can't believe we did that.
Okay.
Can you? Yeah, fair enough.